Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kesia Naziwibe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hair. I saw this style on Instagram on Tabitha Brown, I think, but she had like a bigger ponytail at the back. But after I made the weaving, I decided to use my clip-ins that I made myself. I'm a bit proud to say that. Okay, so I put them in there and they were just really nice, and I have been on this journey, as you know, of how to style my natural 4C hair, and I think I've been doing a great job so far. I'm trying, and I came up with another style that I saw on Instagram. I didn't come up with it, I saw it on Instagram and I decided to try it out. And I think this is nice. This is giving black girl magic. Black girl magic. Hello. So join me on this video. We're gonna start from scratch. We're gonna do the weaving, add the ponytail, do everything, do the makeup. Just I show you just how I do the eyeshadow and the blush and just the lips. Something simple. Yeah, so let's get into this tutorial. Okay, not more like a tutorial, but like you watching me struggle to weave my hair myself and put this together myself. So I'm quickly gonna do a simple eye makeup for you guys, just so you can see how this look will pop out. Okay, do the nose. So we'll start by just doing the contour from the nose to the eyes. And I'm just gonna use, I just want to use one simple palette. This one, this is a Juvia one. Magic by Juvia. Okay. I'm going to just use this because it's really light, you know. So let me take this one. Okay. Just go in there again. I just want something simple. Okay. Normally I could even be done like this and just do my lips and go. But so I take a flat one and just pick this. Just lightly. I want something really light today, really light. Take more. Do on the other eyes. Okay. That transition is really smooth and easy. Because I use these two colors, this, and then the brown. So the transition is really smooth. I can see it, that it's really smooth. Okay, so now I'm just gonna draw my brow. Okay, now we'll just clear this off. And this part I just try to dust it off lightly so it doesn't wipe off my brow. So that is really light. Oh, this stuff dried out. I have to wipe it off. So now I'm gonna just do my blush. I've done it a couple of times and I think you should know how I do it by now. Okay. This is really soft, which I like. I always want everything that's soft like that. Goes with the hair because just everything is just really soft. And I'm just gonna do the lips, and that's it. That's that. So makeup is soft, hair is soft. Let me do my mascara. I like it. So I'm not putting any eyeliner, just putting, inner lining. I'm not putting any inner black lining, I'm just using this. Okay. I need to buy another mascara. This one is out. Oh, so that is that. That is that, okay? I could still go in on my powder and really give it a very full coverage. See? But I just wanted to show you how this hair is. I'm gonna go out now. Okay, let me fix all the part that is giving white and ashy and all that. That is dried out.